have written article writing. This is students very important questions in writing skills in 11th 12th class. Now these questions started coming in 10th standard too. I have written what are the steps you have to keep in your mind before writing an article. First, it is purpose of article writing. Now if you are writing article, so what is the purpose behind writing this article? I have written the purpose of writing an article is to describe a place or a person. This is very important, student, to describe a place or a person, narrate an event. This is. It means if you are writing an article, it means you are describing a place, a person, and a particular event you have to describe or express views and argument in the issues of social interest. If you are writing article, it means in the last paragraph you have to express your views and arguments, and those views and arguments should be in the interest of the public or the society. It means your complete article is for the interest of the general public or the society. Now tips to write an article. Number 1, an article should always be coherent and relevant to the topic. So it means it is very compulsory for all of you, if you are writing an article, so your words, sentence should be very relevant to the topic. It means if you have used selected words, related words, it means you can clearly convey your views to the public or the readers. Second, it should be written in an interesting way to attract a wide range of audience, and the content of the article should be in a very interesting way. Point 8, an article can include opinions, balance, argument, facts, description or suggestions. If you are writing article and you want that you should give a good article to your readers and audience, so you should include good opinion, balanced argument, where your argument should be very balanced, and fact description should be look like as real. It means including all these things, you can make your article very interesting, and more people will go to read that article. Now student, you will write article on the topics I am writing you here. One topic I am writing, that is coaching classes a boon or a bane. This is topic for article writing. You write article on it and I will check it tomorrow. Thank you.